Hi everyone, today we are tackling a super simple yet incredibly useful kitchen hack, chopping and freezing fresh dill. Let's face it, fresh herbs are amazing but they don't always last. So let's make the most of them. First things first, let's get the dill clean. Now let's prepare the dill. Snip off the top ends of the stem. For this recipe, we are going to chop the dill, but if you prefer to freeze fall springs, that works too. Time to get chopping. Get any sharp knife you can get. Remember, a little goes a long way with dill, so you can adjust the amount you chop based on your needs. Now let's preserve this flavor bomb. For chopped dill, place it in a freezer-safe container or bag. Press out as much air as possible before sealing. Don't forget to label and date your containers. You can store your frozen dill in the freezer for up to a year. When you are ready to use it, simply thaw it slightly before adding it to your dishes. Frozen dill is perfect for soups, stews, sauces, and marinades. Get creative. And there you have it. You now know how to preserve the deliciousness of fresh dill. Let me know in the comments if you have any other herb freezing tips. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching.